Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to create eye-catching thumbnails in LightSpeed VT using the brand new AI image generator. Perfect for category and course thumbnails. Whether you need a professional, polished look or something fun and creative, you don't have to design a thing. Just let our AI handle it. Inside the Courseware Manager, open any category or course. Then head to the Display section. You'll notice a new Generate Image button. Click it to begin. Your course title and description will automatically be included. You can provide visual cues for the image in the instructions and pick a style. Auto is the default. Let the AI choose which style works best. There's General, which provides a versatile look for most needs. Realistic generates lifelike photography with authentic lighting and textures. Or Design, which is perfect for vector illustrations or abstract art. Let's start with the compliance training example. I've already written my instructions, so I'll paste those in here. Not bad. Now let's try something fun. I've also prepared instructions for a retro cult classic movie poster style, so I'll paste that one in as well. Yeah, that's it. The AI instantly creates two options. Pick your favorite or refine the prompt. For example, add no text if you want a clean image. Once you're happy, just select it and click I'll use it, and that's it. In seconds, you've got a professional or playful attention-grabbing thumbnail. No design skills required, just bring your imagination. Give the AI image generator a try today.